So we started today's video with this amazing transformation. So the stylist cuts the hair into a pixie, and she's gonna get a full-blown makeover with this one. Face treatment, eyebrows dyed, hair dyed. There is the before. Wow. Oh, she looks like a completely different person. Absolutely stunning transformation. And she looks about 20, 30 years younger. Amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some must-see hair transformations. So here we have someone getting a bob haircut. Looks like she's getting some color with this one as well. Wow. Beautiful bob makeover. I love the dimension within the color. She looks amazing. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have someone getting a layered wolf cut style. She has this really bold orange hair color. And this is such a chic, modern hairstyle. I love it. And then we see someone who has hair just past their shoulders. Looks like she wants to get a pixie. Oh, she ended up getting a bob. Wow, loving the dimensional blonde color. She looks amazing, very nice. And then we see someone with hair once again just past their shoulders. hairstylist does a beautiful pixie bob haircut for this one. Very nice. Look at that color. Gorgeous. Next up, we have another long to short transformation. So she also wants like a wolf cut style. Oh, wow, this is so cute. Beautifully done. I love the spiky texture that this has. Face framing bangs. Very nice. Most of the time when I see the wolf cuts, they are longer, so it's nice to see a shorter variation. And then we have someone with some bold, hot pink colored hair. And she ended up getting a mullet haircut. Very nice. Loving the edginess behind this style. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.